Attorney General Virginia Mabiza tell Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to resign or support Mnangagwa Amendment Bill number 3. Kusangana kwataita zvakare pano pa YouTube channel yenyu Magaba News, where we give you the trending news which is happening around Zimbabwe. Today we have a news that takabata tichikuzivisai about Attorney General Virginia Mabiza. Has made it clear that unity within a cabinet is not optional, it is a constitutional requirement. Her remarks comes at a time when a public attention has turned toward different views within Zimbabwe's leadership, particularly involving Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. So Attorney Virginia Mabiza vouya vachitaura pamusoro penhau yechiitiko chekupushwa kuri kuitwa cab 3, vachiti cab 3 iri kufanira kusapotwa nemunhu wese, vachiti cabinet decision are final. Attorney Mabiza says minister must support government or quit. Munhu wese asiri kusapota 2030 muhurumende yava Mnangagwa ari kunzi ngaabude muhurumende iyoyo. Mashoko aya aendeswa akanangikiswa kuna VP Chiwenga, sezvo VP Chiwenga ndo vevamwe vasiri kuda nezvecab 3 iri kupushwa muZANU-PF. So AG Virginia Mabiza otaura achiti iye ndavabude zvavo muZANU-PF kana kuti vozvipira kusapota cab 3 yava Mnangagwa. So according to news, pamashoko ake akataura zviri kuziviswa uchinzi Attorney General Virginia Mabiza has delivered a strong and clear message on how members of Zimbabwe executive must conduct themselves, reinforcing constitutional principles that govern cabinet operation. Her remarks were seen as an direct towards Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, underlining one central idea: unity in government is not an optional. Speaking on the role of cabinet, Mabiza emphasized that Zimbabwe constitution is explicit about how decisions are handled at the highest level. Cabinet, she explained, operate under collective responsibility. This means that once a decision has been agreed upon, all members are expected to support it publicly, regardless of any private disagreement that may have occurred during deliberation. The law is very clear in terms of how ministers, deputy ministers, and cabinet should conduct themselves, Mabiza said. At the heart of her statement is the expectation of discipline and cohesion within government cabinet decision discussions. She stressed are confidential and must remain that way. Members are not allowed to later distance themselves from decision or present opposing views in public once a collective position has been adopted. Discussions stay in cabinet. A member is not allowed to leak or distance themselves later, she said. Mabiza made it clear that this is not simply a matter of a political, it is a constitutional obligation. Cabinet members are accountable both in individuals and collectively to the President Mnangagwa. Each official is responsible for managing their ministry and implementing a government policy. Collectively, they are required to defend the decision made by cabinet as an unified body. She further emphasized that once cabinet adopted a policy, there is no room for public contradiction. Once cabinet adopts a policy, every cabinet member must publicly support and defend it, even if they privately disagree during deliberation, Mabiza said. Here, a message was direct when addressing what should happen if a member cannot align themselves with a cabinet decision. If a minister cannot support a cabinet decision, the observations or option is to resign, as she stated. The position highlights the seriousness of maintaining unity within government ranks. According to Mabiza, public disagreement from within cabinet undermines governance and weakens the authority of executive. She also pointed to the powers of the president in ensuring accountability within cabinet under the constitutional, the president has the full authority to act against any member who fails to uphold their responsibility. The president can reprimand, reassign, demote, or dismiss individual minister or even a vice president without dissolving the entire cabinet, she explained. This reinforcing the idea of that all cabinet members serves at the discretion of the president are expected to align within the direction of government policy at all time. The president appoint and may remove minister at his discretion. A minister serves at the president's pleasure, Mabiza added. Her remarks serves as a reminder of a structure in the expectation within Zimbabwe executive branch where internal debate is part of a decision-making. Public unity remains essential once those decisions are finalized. In conclusion, Mabiza's statement draws a firm line. Leadership comes with responsibility, and that responsibility including stand by collective decision for another member of government, including senior officials, and the choice clearly defined support government policy or step aside. As discussions continue around governance and policy direction, her message reinforced the constitutional framework that guides Zimbabwe's leadership. So muri Zimbabwe ndona wiri kutaurirwa pamashoko ake aitaura achiti macabinet ministers nyangwe vice president akagadzwa nemutungamiri wenyika haafaniri kupikisa zvagarwa pasi zvichitaurwa mukabineti, vari kuti iye anofanira kudzingwa, ndio mutemo watakazvipa. So shoko iri raita kuti veruzhinji vaone kuti rananga kuna VP Chiwenga straight, sezvo VP Chiwenga kubvira pawakataura shoko rawakaparidza kwamurewa ndio raita kuti veruzhinji mubato reZANU-PF vasheke-sheke, zvaita kuti varakashi vatenderedze statement iri vachizivisa vachiti zvataurwa naAG Virginia Mabiza statement rekuti ivo vari kuti maministers ese pamwe chete nemavice president vese vanofanira kusapota cab 3 yava Mnangagwa zvisina kupokana. Apikisa ngaabude muhurumende kana kuti anobuditswa. So nawi iri kurakidza kuti hazvina kumira mushe mashoko ari kutenderedzwa achiziviswa ruzhinji kuti VP Chiwenga nevamwe vari muhurumende yava Mnangagwa yeZANU-PF vasiri kusapota Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 iri kupusha 2030 agenda, vari kurongerwa kunzi anytime vanogona kubviswa, ndizvo kwazvakutoenda, ende ndizvo zviri kutaurwa naAG Mabiza. Munozviona sei ndidzo nhau dzatati tikabata pana pachannel yenyu Magaba News YouTube channel, which gives you the political news dzinenge dzichiitika around Zimbabwe. Keep on supporting our YouTube channel.